Hello everyone, this is Antonio from RandomStuff channel, and just unboxing the 4 mamaRoo. So this is very random, and let's get into the box. Okay, so what do we have in here? We have one of the cover sleeves. Okay, let's put that to the side. That's one of the structures. And another one. It's like a big puzzle. It needs to be put together. There, and it's like almost like a computer screen. It needs to come out. Being careful not to drop it. There you go, 4 mums. That's the electronic panel, and I think we've got a few more bits and bobs in there. There you go. Some balls, toys. They'll all make sense afterwards. And there should be some instructions as well, which have a look. And let's have a look at page 1. Well, there's that. Yeah, you can see all the. Yeah, you can pause on any of these, as you can see. Look, so just get them all on camera. Just shows you how to set it up, obviously. Yeah, that's it. See? That's the features, the different features and the motions that you can do, and the speeds. Basically keeping the baby, you know, occupied and busy, you know, with different sounds and volumes. I guess it's a bit like a rocking sort of chair, maybe. It would look like a rocking thing arm. Difficult to explain, but we'll see it when it's fully assembled. Just going to pause the video now. So you've got the zip here that needs to go on both sides. Okay, so this is the structure when it's being zipped, and here that bit goes in there, and these 2 bits here go in here. Okay, so I'll just figure it out. So you've got these slots here that need to go in there. There's only one shape that it can go in, as you can see there. So I'm going to just put it together, then show it to you when it's filled. Okay, so that was all wrong. What you need to do first is you need to do the base. First you need to fix it onto here. So let's do that first. Okay, so in order for that to fit in there, we need to lift that lever, and then that will go, and then you can fix it to whichever level you want. Okay, let's continue with that. So structures like this then. Okay, so we're getting there. That's been locked at the back through the lever here. So this is what it looks like when it's completed. And some 3.5mm jacks there. Okay, let's put the plug on. Okay, so plug is on. Untangle it. I think there's the power is over here. Is that not the power? check. Right, so the power is actually at the back. It helps if you would read these things first, but obviously this is the first time that I do this. Okay, so that's plugged in now. So we're ready to switch it on. You've got a nice display. So these are the programs that we saw before in the manual, which I'm going to show you. So there's different motions that you can do. As you can see here, you've got a car ride. If I press that, just do that. All right, better read the instructions again. Hang on. Okay, so it's quite easy actually. So we do car ride like that. You choose the program, and then you choose the kind of speed, I guess. So you do something like that, and you can see the movements. And the baby feels like they're on a car kind of ride. Then you got like, I think probably speed. So you can see that's going really fast. Just do it from far away. That's probably going to be quite soothing for the baby. Is that slow? This is the next one. This is kangaroo. Just going up and down, up and down. Let's put the speed up. And next to the programs, motions, you've got the sounds as well. But let's go to the next one. Clicking on this one. So this is a tree swing. This is a typical altalena tree swing, as we call it. Altalena in Italian. So this is a nice rocking motion. And again, you can do the speed. Very slow movements. See that? Really slow, really nice. I'm well impressed with this. Then you've got rockabye. This is a rockabye. You don't know if you can tell in the video, but each motion is different and it's really cool. Again, faster speed. It's kind of amazing, really. I love it. And let's put the speed down. See, you got 3, 2, and let's put music. It's the volume, soothing sounds. So you got rain. This is a fan now. Next one is going to be ocean. You hear the ocean? And the next one is going to be the heart. In theory, that's supposed to remind the baby when it was in the tummy. And the next one, I think, is just music, isn't it? Oh, this is aux. This is what that cable is for. You can actually put your own music on there via your device, whether it's an old phone that takes a 3.5 millimeter jack, and play it directly on here. Yeah, really impressed. Fantastic. This was a present from a friend of ours. And yeah, so this is the 4Mums, actually called mamaRoo. Highly recommended. Really highly recommended. Looks fantastic. Can't wait to try it with the baby. Yeah, get yourself one. The link is in the description below. Cheers, bye.